Hey, too. Welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode. Oh, you can't hear me. Sure, fair to welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Cars, Stands, and Class. And I'm a beautiful, nice, good, great, fun host, Mkupi the Entertain. Oh well, it's another day filled with great vibes, great energy, and all of that. Remember, I promised you that I'm back to vlogging almost each day. I'm gonna give you episodes almost each day. Sure. Who you are? Sha Bumpana. Man? Sha. So, yeah, I'm back to giving you great, beautiful, nice, good, great content every day. We were fed. I want to know that you are forever. I want to know that you are forever. So to clear the air, I have never sold Nosy. Nosy didn't end up getting sold. So no sale was made. I didn't make any sale towards I didn't make any sale towards Nosy. The agreement was not reached, so Nosy is still mine. It still has the 16-valve engine and it's not inside the car. So I'm trying to reconsider whether to put in the 16V or to just get a smaller engine, since I already have a 2-liter 8-valve. So I'm considering swapping with anyone. I want to swap with anyone who will swap with me. I'm going to give them the 16-valve. They give me a 1.4 or a 1.6. Actually, I want a 1.4. I don't want a 1.6. 1.4. They give me a 1.4. Actually, we'll negotiate because they cannot be a swap of a 1.4 and 16-valve. It doesn't make sense. So I'd rather keep it. But I would rather swap, and you actually maybe add with your computer box, 1.4 computer box, or a harness, the loom harness or the harness, and yeah, maybe, and then there we will start negotiating. But as a clean swap, it's not a clean swap, it's a dirty swap that I'm not willing to do. So yeah, right now Nosy is there having the 16V engine, and it's not inside the car because I'm told you I'm reconsidering having the 16V back in the car. I do not want to have two powerful cars. I just want to remove one engine and have the smaller one there, and then that's it. That's how I'll move. I can't be having two else. I don't want to do that. So anyone with the 1.4 with harness or with computer box, I'll give them the 16V. My engine is still the way you know it. Never broken it. Never nothing. Like I didn't do anything. It's just the engine the way you know it. So yeah, just put in a plug-in and race if you wanna race. Yeah, maybe what I want to do now is to put a smaller engine inside Nosy and have a smaller car which I can use, because fuel days are not kind. And it's all because of me, all because of what I did. Either way, it was fun. I enjoyed. Just that fun ends, and when the fun ends, you're done. All you do is to glorify what you did, and I'm proud of myself for everything that I did and how far I've come. Very proud. Right now I'm having Nosy. Whoever wants Nosy, it's for sale as well. It's for sale the way it is. Give me 25,000, 25k, you take everything. The way it is, you take everything. Take it. Has papers, everything is there. All the things belonging to the Nosy is there. So yeah, come through if you want it. Bring me 25k and the car is yours. It's yours. Toyota is also for sale. Just give me 55k and it's yours. It's also for sale. Yeah. So let's work. My hand is even tired of holding the phone like this. Even tired. Work. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I've arrived at V and Sons. I don't see V, but I see the Sons. Yeah, the Sons there. I've arrived. V and Sons. Vale, drop the loche. Le paile fatshe lena case jela ja jebe le ring ba fit ale khali ukukhala kusize I'm all ready for pay for I can see this yeah I'm all ready for pay o shetse ba ro tsama bo sheo haina float float ka tlwelo no
ya ba di tshela o me go tsa
mona e botsana mo okay I'm fine
hello baby mokoni maragane wa ile lo so mkhotsa ka ona ntwa
mona o ka se re nna wa baby
yo go ncheke pela ke go bona something e re le gawe
bye baby
amo bona ndiela ntwa
I'm fine
ndiela something
fine baby hey king
Polo ncheke pe wa
problem king
nice and simple
yona yazama Kanunya ka ideng Petro wa rati ntadi mun bara So guys, today the show of the day was actually oh guys, the engine of this car, now it's engineering part, it's engineering time. They removed what they needed to remove. Everything is out to engineering. So now it's time away. Time for number 6. 6 born. CSS. Tinsa. Nchi top. One chain. What ka di cam le inject. Wait. Okay.
Wait.
This is where number 6 does in chance ringo. Okay. Hey guys, actually I'm not a fan of when they're working on these big ones. I don't like it, and I don't even know, like sometimes these cars are those cars, so maybe the owners wouldn't want the cars to be seen and whatnot. That's why I don't like showing them as much. Maybe they'll be angry and not come here, and I'm gonna sabotage AB and all of those things, you understand? Unlike when it's the people we know personally, our friends and all of that. Hi kids! How are you guys? How are you guys?
So guys, long time guys, long time. So today I'm back as your host. I'm filming a beautiful video. I saw him every day at my house watching the TV.
Me? You saw me?
Yes, you were watching the channel for view.
Of me?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Is she telling the truth?
Yes. Hello everybody.
Hey, wait, now what are you gonna say with? Small V and Sons? That's...
Shut up!
Don't shoot me. Hey, Peter.
Stop.
So today you guys are having a party?
Yes!
Not
really.
I know, so you guys are having a party. Why didn't you invite me?
You're invited! You're always invited! You are always filming a video!
I'm always filming.
Yes, I see your channels!
Hey, Wanna.
Stop screaming! What are you cooking inside your head? You are invited! You are invited!
Me?
You are invited!
Okay.
You are invited! The only thing that you know is...
AB's daughter is shy, guys.
Like and subscribe.
You don't want to say anything. What? Tell him.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah. Like and subscribe.
Your booty baba butt. Subscribe.
AB's daughter.
Subscribe.
Eh?
Subscribe.
Eh?
Fine Goopy. Subscribe. Fine Goopy the entertainer.
Ay.
Jadi munat.
Jenna.
Yes.
Peter.
Don't forget the video that you forget.
Yeah. When I'm.
Watch the video till the end.
Yeah. And they must also watch ads.
And watch the video. Do not forget.
Yeah. They mustn't forget. Thank you, guys.
We're telling you what to do. If you don't do it, you're gonna die.
Yeah.
You're going to die with a real gun.
Yeah. Yes, I got her. AB's daughter is so shy. Why are you scared of the camera? Eh? Why? Why are you so scared?
You shut your ass. You say that to my sister. You shut up. Your sister. She's my sister.
Okay, keep playing. Oh, it's holidays, guys, you know. Kids are just here. Oh, we look at Cap. So ira re no ta tja a Morocco wa lokela DVW mo gare tja a Morocco. O bona cap nyane nya, ke ra e nyane e seng e we go. No ka lokela cap. So now he's having a problem. Dalton is having a problem. He wants to put in the caps.
So looking at the
Mod.
silicone o tshwanetse la GT e tlo tsa GT at least be di khona be di fita
go di a dula mo molomong ka mo
la mo molomong mara go thata ke bang
go clean
mo as a problem e ka
go thiba
go khona o thiba and I wonder be yo ba jo
when some guy came here today. He said he wanted this rims today. AB aga tse botsa maka Jetta
Jetta 4 5
6 or 7. Hey, so re mudi jara re wena o di apere bile o di asgalo di apere. Yeah, probably he will be back. Probably he will be here. Ya o jam fana time e betse ka drop. Emana time ile Awa. We love this in it. Hey, mfethu. Hey. Udia mtu. Kuthushe ngalo kwena umetha mna. Ukabetha mtu video kuthushe. You started it. So Dirang, you wanna try all these caps? Kenya, no. Kira Amarok. Omoya choose. Hey. Kushorta dia. At least to kuti.
Go put on journal love bite. But I don't know what's a journal love bite.
Hey, I know that.
I can't love bite so so.
Yeah. Today, this rooms. And then I'm going to Dalton in the pay. Jera number 1. Jera number 2. Jera number 3. You feel like jungle village gula also. Eshmana, Skabon Chavan, me too, woman. Panama village mook. Not for sale for personal anything. You feel like jungle village gula also. Yeah. Hey, Squid Squad Spatch. Hey guys, Squid Squad Spatch is leaving. Let us. Hey. Wait a minute. What was the village go there?
Can you go to Tamu? Can you go like a cap?
What was the village go there?
Yeah, Golia. Hey, come on.
Uchaba yor batai dirang. Eh? Uchaba batai dirang. Uchaba batai dirang. Eh, kono millionaire. Kishinya na pili ne. Yeah, you don't think. You think. Think expectations. Eh, I jole go before na. Ola obela upala. Cho. Ola tsena ngara kia.
Mangremo.
Cho. Kubafana ba style. Ki free money.
No petrol.
No petrol, nothing.
Arantse nyaga oli ya khana.
Ba isha kai.
Aktsar ba chela ka kwa difing na.
Awa. Eh. Kifeme. I did number something.
Season's greetings.
Yeah. Nkukula iri.
Yeah.
What's about?
What is this?
I don't know, man. What car is this?
Suzuki
what?